Hello everyone. This is your daily English speaking and listening practice. Let's start learning English step by step. Hello, how are you today?
Hello, I am doing great today.
Hi there, what are you learning?
Hi, I am learning new skills.
Why should we learn new skills?
Learning skills improves life opportunities greatly.
How can skills improve your life?
Skills help achieve success and confidence.
What is the fastest way learning?
Consistent practice is the fastest way.
How do you stay motivated daily?
I stay motivated with clear goals.
Which skills are most valuable today?
Communication and technology skills are valuable.
Can anyone learn new skills easily?
Yes, anyone can learn with effort.
How do you start learning something?
I start with simple basic lessons.
What habits help you learn faster?
Good habits make learning faster daily.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, I enjoy learning new things.
What skill are you learning now?
I am learning communication skills now.
Why did you choose that skill?
I chose it for career growth.
How often do you practice it?
I practice it every single day.
Do you learn better alone?
I learn better when alone sometimes.
Or do you prefer group learning?
Sometimes, I prefer group learning too.
What challenges do beginners face often?
Beginners often face confusion and fear.
How do you overcome learning fear?
I overcome fear by taking action.
What tools help you learn faster?
Tools like apps help me learn.
Do you take notes while learning?
Yes, I always take useful notes.
How important is consistency in learning?
Consistency is very important for learning.
Do you follow a study schedule?
Yes, I follow a study schedule.
How long do you study daily?
I study for 2 hours daily.
What distracts you during learning time?
Phone distractions affect my learning time.
How do you avoid distractions effectively?
I turn off notifications to focus.
Do you set learning goals regularly?
Yes, I set goals regularly.
How do goals improve your progress?
Goals give direction and strong motivation.
What motivates you to keep going?
Progress motivates me to keep going.
Do rewards help you stay consistent?
Yes, rewards help me stay consistent.
What kind of rewards do you like?
I like small personal rewards sometimes.
Do you use online learning platforms?
Yes, I use online platforms often.
Which platform do you like most?
I like interactive learning platforms most.
Do videos help you understand better?
Yes, videos help me understand better.
What about books for learning skills?
Books also give deep knowledge always.
Do you prefer reading or watching?
I prefer both reading and watching.
How do you review what learned?
I review notes and summarize lessons.
Do you practice after learning theory?
Yes, I practice after learning theory.
How important is hands-on practice?
Practice is very important for mastery.
Do you learn from your mistakes?
Yes, I learn from mistakes often.
How do mistakes help improvement?
Mistakes teach valuable lessons for growth.
Do you ask questions when confused?
Yes, I ask questions when confused.
Who helps you when stuck learning?
Teachers and friends help me learn.
Do you join online learning communities?
Yes, I join online communities sometimes.
How do communities support learning growth?
Communities share knowledge and support growth.
Do you teach others what learned?
Yes, I teach others what learned.
Does teaching improve your understanding?
Teaching helps me understand deeply always.
How do you measure learning progress?
I measure progress through regular practice.
Do you track your improvement regularly?
Yes, I track improvement regularly.
What skills are easy for you?
Communication skills are easy for me.
Which skills feel difficult to learn?
Technical skills feel harder to learn.
Do you give up when challenged?
No, I never give up easily.
How do you stay patient learning?
I stay patient by trusting process.
Do you believe anyone can learn?
Yes, anyone can learn anything eventually.
How important is self-belief in learning?
Self-belief is very important for learning.
Do you compare your progress often?
Sometimes, I compare my progress often.
How do you stay focused daily?
I stay focused with clear goals.
Do you take breaks while learning?
Yes, I take breaks regularly.
How often do you rest your mind?
I rest my mind every hour.
Do you use apps for learning skills?
Yes, I use learning apps daily.
Which app helps you learn best?
Some apps help me learn efficiently.
Do you learn better in mornings?
I learn better in mornings usually.
Or do you prefer studying nights?
Sometimes, I study during quiet nights.
What environment helps you learn better?
A quiet place helps me learn.
Do you need silence while learning?
Yes, I need silence mostly learning.
Can music help your concentration sometimes?
Soft music sometimes helps concentration better.
How do you stay organized learning?
I stay organized using simple systems.
Do you keep learning materials organized?
Yes, I keep materials well organized.
What supplies do you use learning?
I use notebooks and digital tools.
Do you learn faster with practice?
Yes, practice improves learning speed greatly.
How long before you see progress?
Progress appears after consistent practice time.
Do you celebrate small learning wins?
Yes, I celebrate small wins often.
How do small wins motivate you?
Small wins increase motivation and confidence.
Do you learn from online tutorials?
Yes, I learn from tutorials often.
Are tutorials enough for mastering skills?
Tutorials are helpful but not enough.
How do you go beyond basics?
I practice more to go beyond.
Do you build projects while learning?
Yes, I build projects while learning.
How do projects improve your skills?
Projects improve skills through real practice.
Do you seek feedback on work?
Yes, I seek feedback regularly.
How do you handle negative feedback?
I accept feedback and stay positive.
Do you use feedback to improve?
Yes, feedback helps me improve skills.
Do you learn multiple skills together?
Sometimes, I learn multiple skills together.
Which approach works better for you?
Focusing on one works better usually.
How do you manage learning time?
I manage time with clear schedules.
Do you plan weekly learning goals?
Yes, I plan weekly learning goals.
How do you track weekly progress?
I track progress using simple lists.
Do you ever feel learning burnout?
Yes, I sometimes feel burnout learning.
How do you recover from burnout?
I rest and reset to recover.
Do you use flashcards for memory?
Yes, I use flashcards sometimes.
How do you improve memory skills?
I improve memory with regular practice.
Do you revise lessons regularly?
Yes, I revise lessons regularly.
How often should you review topics?
I review topics every few days.
Do you test yourself after learning?
Yes, I test myself often.
How do tests improve your learning?
Tests show weaknesses and improve understanding.
Do you stay curious about everything?
Yes, I stay curious always.
How does curiosity support learning growth?
Curiosity drives learning and exploration daily.
Do you learn from real experiences?
Yes, I learn from experiences often.
How do experiences teach better lessons?
Experiences give practical and deep lessons.
Do you follow experts in skills?
Yes, I follow experts for learning.
How do experts inspire your learning?
Experts inspire and guide my journey.
Do you watch interviews for learning?
Yes, I watch interviews sometimes.
Can stories improve your understanding skills?
Stories make learning more interesting always.
Do you learn from failures often?
Yes, I learn from failures often.
How do failures guide your growth?
Failures teach lessons and guide growth.
Do you believe practice makes perfect?
Yes, practice leads toward perfection gradually.
How much practice is really needed?
Continuous practice is always truly needed.
Do you enjoy the learning process?
Yes, I enjoy the process deeply.
Or focus only on results mostly?
I focus on both process and results.
How do you balance learning life?
I balance learning with daily life.
Do you learn for career growth?
Yes, I learn for career growth.
Or learn for personal satisfaction mostly?
Also, I learn for personal joy.
Can hobbies become useful skills later?
Yes, hobbies can become useful skills.
Do you share your learning journey?
Yes, I share my journey online.
How do others react to it?
People react positively and feel inspired.
Do you inspire others to learn?
Yes, I inspire others to learn.
How do you stay confident learning?
I stay confident by practicing regularly.
Do you ever feel like quitting?
Yes, sometimes I feel like quitting.
What keeps you from quitting learning?
My goals keep me from quitting.
Do you reflect on your learning?
Yes, I reflect on learning often.
How does reflection improve your skills?
Reflection improves understanding and future performance.
Do you set long-term learning goals?
Yes, I set long-term goals.
How do long goals guide you?
Long goals guide my daily actions.
Do you adapt your learning methods?
Yes, I adapt learning methods often.
How do you find better strategies?
I find strategies through experience learning.
Do you enjoy challenging yourself often?
Yes, I enjoy challenging myself often.
How do challenges build strong skills?
Challenges build strong and lasting skills.
What is your next skill goal?
My next goal is advanced communication.
Are you excited about learning more?
Yes, I am excited to learn more.